Hello friends, welcome to my channel Chinmayi Online Teachings, Cooking and Dancing. In our previous video, we have learned 8th class social lesson number 7 money and banking. It is the and we have learned about barter system. It is the part of this lesson. So let us continue the barter system. So we have stopped at this point in previous video. Please watch my previous video, you can understand what I have said. So I'll repeat you once again. Barter system is nothing but this system of exchanging goods directly against each other without the use of money is called barter system. Okay, this is the definition of barter system, you can note it. So let us start. In a barter system, goods are directly exchanged for each other without the use of money. So in the barter system, there is no use of money. If there are some goods, they can exchange, but there is no use of money. In another example, Gopal has a goat and he wants to exchange it for rice. He goes to Seenu. Seenu wants a goat, but he has jowar and not rice. Gopal meets Ramu who produces rice, but Ramu does not want to exchange his rice for the goat. He wants to buy jowar. Here table is given. I have filled the table. Gopal wishes to buy. That means Gopal has a goat and he wants to exchange it for rice. So Gopal has a goat. Then he want to exchange it for rice. For that reason, he goes to Seenu. So Seenu wanted the goat, but he has jowar instead rice. So this Gopal goes to meets Ramu who produces rice. That means this Seenu does not has rice, no, he has jowar. So that's why Gopal meets Ramu who produces rice. But Ramu does not want to exchange his rice for the goat. But this Ramu does not wanted to exchange his rice for the goat. He wants to buy jowar. So here table is given. I have filled the table. You can just observe this paragraph and you can fill this table. Exchange with money. If we use money, there will be no problem. Exchange with money. Here before in barter system we have learnt about only exchanging of goods. Here is another part, exchange with money. So let us underline. Yes. If we use money, there will be no problem in exchanging commodities. It is then not necessary that a person who has something in excess finds another person who needs it and has something what he wants. Then we have some people like to take something and other wants to exchange something. Instead, if we use money, there will be no problem. You can easily change your goods or commodities. It will be no problem for exchanging commodities. It is not necessary that a person who has something in excess finds and another person who needs it has something that what he wants. Money acts an intermediary or in between step, something that is held for some time because it can be used in further. So when we exchange the goods, we have to use it compulsory. When we give money and when we take money and exchange our goods, that money will be used in further use. That means we can use in future. We saw these situations in the above examples. We saw these situations in above examples. It is able to do that because it is acceptable to all. So in barter system this is not able, this is not possible, because they are exchanging goods instead of money, no, that is not acceptable to all. Those who wish to sell will accept this as payment, and similarly those who wish to buy will only have to offer money in exchange. There is no use of giving other goods to other person. If we take, for example, let us take an example. I will take a rice. I go to shopkeeper and I'll purchase some rice and I'll give him money instead of any goat or anything is not needed. Only using money we can pay him. Any commodity or service be service will be exchanged for money. Sorry, any commodity or service can be exchanged for money, and money can be exchanged for any commodity or service. So money is acceptable in all places for buying all commodities. So when for selling also money will be useful, for buying also money will be very useful. Money by itself may have no use. It is wanted because of the role it plays in exchange. One can also borrow and pay back in the form of money. So anyone wanted some rice, they can borrow and no need of giving rice again. We can give money in the we can give them back in the form of money also. So by this video ends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.